guys! So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Dubai. Nandito na nga tayo sa Terminal 3, just past the immigration at nagwe-wait na lang kami for boarding time. At nakapag-breakfast na rin kami. Kenzo, say hi! Yun na guys, we're now boarding! Yay! Kenzo, show your toys.
Hello?
Wow.
Hello? This is going to catch going safe for we're going to find the airplane. This is my roar. This is my giraffe. This is
Giraffe. It's a giraffe. Guys, siguro halfway na rin kami sa flight na to. Napakabang flight. Grabe. Feeling ko 48 years na ako nandito sa loob ng airplane. Sana pwedeng sumalampak na lang ng ganito. O, diba? Ang sarap ng tulog niya. Sana all. Hindi ako makatulog. Hindi kasi ako sanay. Ito din yata hindi makatulog, oh. Sana all. Sarap ng tulog. So yun guys, after 48 years sa wakas, nandito na rin kami sa Dubai Airport Terminal 1. Lumampas na kami sa immigration at nakuha na rin namin yung luggage namin. At ngayon naman, inimit na namin si Mudang. Yun guys, for this trip, nakapag-decide kami na kumuha na lang kami ng private tour, pati yung private airport transfer. Kasi yung mama ko, iniisip ko baka mahirapan na siya mag-train. Tsaka, syempre, mahirap din naman na may kasamang bata, tapos magte-train pa kami. Kaya ayan, ito yung service namin. Ayan. Yun guys, just arrived here at the hotel. Kaka-check-in lang namin. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Antok na si Kenzo. Antok na. My mom. Yun guys, room tour muna tayo. 2-bedroom apartment itong nakuha namin ito. Pagpasok mo, meron na siyang toilet. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, full kitchen. Ayan. Pwede din maglaba. Ayan, kompleto na siya. May microwave. Tapos may induction cooker. Dining area. Living. Grabe, ang dami namin. Maleta. Ito yung bedroom number 1. Meron siyang dalawang single beds. Ito naman, bedroom number 2. Ito yung CR.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's 6 a.m. now in Dubai and we're all awake. We've been awake since 4 because in the Philippines right now I think it's like 10. Yeah, so my mom is cooking breakfast now.
Mommy, what are you cooking?
Scrambled egg at saka corned beef. And boiled egg.
And boiled egg for Mudang.
Boiled rice.
Okay, so now it's time to eat breakfast. We're gonna eat here. We have scrambled eggs, corned beef, and fruits. Thanks, mommy.
Hey, you're gonna eat eggs.
Hi guys, so now we're eating breakfast.
This is
We have boiled eggs, fruits,
Hey.
scrambled eggs, corned beef, and of course rice. Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Hi guys! It's our second day to Dubai at ngayon magsi-city tour tayo. Medyo na-late nga kami bumaba kasi puyat kami kagabi. Okay, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Yun na namin yung Old Dubai. Dito kami sa Gold Souk. Bibili kami ng na ginto. Isang truck na ginto, sabi ni Mama. Wow, sana all isang truck na ginto. Interesting yung kanilang mga spices. Pwede ba yun sa lugaw? Joke lang. Good morning ka muna. Good morning!
Morning. How are you?
Okay, Kuya here is selling oil-based perfume. Mas ano siya, mas long-lasting yung mga perfumes. Meron din naman ng alcohol-based. Pero, tapos yan nakalagay pa yung mga brand. Mukhang nabubudol kami dito. For digestion. For digestion. So, ito. Mga tea. Pinapresent ni Kuya.
What is that one? It look like my mind is very bad. Okay, all right.
Ano yan? Shabu ba yan? Latino. Menthol. Ah, menthol.
This is a crystal menthol. Very good for open sinus and headache and sinus.
Sinus.
Yeah.
So it's not.
Kuya, ang galing mag-sales talk. Ang galing ni Kuya mag-sales talk. Mukhang mapapasok kami sa store niya.
A few moments later.
Nakikita nyo guys, medyo mausok. Parang ano siya, yung amoy ng... Pang adobo? Yung amoy ng ano, ng pagpasok mo sa simbahan natin, Catholic Church, yung ganon. Ganon yung amoy niya.
This is a crystal menthol. Charcoal, just smell. Close your eyes.
Lumuwag ang hininga ko.
Akin din, oo nga, parang nawala yung hika ko. Kasi ano, parang na-allergy ako ngayon.
It's a special.
Yun, may pa-free taste pa nga, wala na. Tingin ko
Mix from
mabubudol
my
na
shop
talaga kami
with
nito.
saffron. Very, very good for
Is this coffee?
Alzheimer. No coffee. Arabic tea mix from my shop. Mix a cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, black tea powder, milk powder with saffron and everything.
Sarap
Very good
matamis.
for Alzheimer.
Wala ka ng choice, mapapabili ka na dito.
Sarap.
Mabubudol ka na talaga. Bumili ka na. Wala ka ng choice.
Pero gusto ko yung tea.
This is tea.
Kenzo's trying the Dubai chocolate. Okay, go. Try. Chocolate. Dubai chocolate. How's it? You like, you like it? Kenzo, ayun guys, kakagaling lang namin sa Spice Soup. Medyo na budol kami doon kasi si Kuya napakagaling mag-sales talk. Ngayon, punta naman kami sa Gold Soup. So, yan na yung nagustuhan mo, mahal. Yan na yun. Wow, taray. Sana
Thank you sa anniversary gift.
Anniversary gift.
Aray ko!
Ngayon, naghahanap naman kami ng restaurant para doon na kami magla-lunch. Medyo napagod kami maglibot-libot. Or ano kakainin mo? Yan.
Sandwich, burgers, plus fries.
Bakit hindi ka nag-order ng rice?
Kasi nung basmati rice.
Ito naman yung order ni Jay. Ano tawag dyan, man?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Yun guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Tapos binalikan namin dito yung mga gold na gusto ni JJ tsaka ni Marky. Yun. Kung dito kayo kung may plan kayo na na mag-invest sa gold, dito na lang kay Marhaba. Ayan. Kasi kabayan yung kausap namin dyan, tapos madali lang makipag-bargain. So yun. Happy ka sa purchase mo, Marky? Yeah.
Thanks, Daddy. Sana all.
Happy ka sa purchase mo, mahal? Flex naman dyan, flex. Pinas na yung pinas yung tag dito yung sweater. Joke.
No! Why no?
Ay! Kuya, give it to me!
See, mommy, yellow.
Let's you go get ice cream. Go get it.
Go get it.
Go get the ice cream. Get the ice cream.
Hindi pa nakapag.
Ano ka rito, uy?
Thank you. Teka lang, I get my card. Thank you po. Kakabili lang namin itong Turkish ice cream. Wala naman siyang pinagkaiba dun sa normal na ice cream, di ba? Mahal na. Medyo. Kasi ano, nasa 300 plus siya isang serving. Pero kasi nakakatuwa lang makipag-agawan ng ice cream dun sa nagtitinda. Yan. Dito kami ngayon sa Al Seef. Part din daw to ng Old Dubai. Tapos ang ganda dito, parang alam niyo yung panahon pa ni Papa Jesus yung architecture. Mamaya punta naman kami sa sa Modern Dubai. Ahmad, say hi to the camera. Hi. Ako na kay Ken.
Hey guys, so now we're going to Dubai Frame.
Okay, traffic pa.
So we're now here, Dubai Frame. Picture lang kami dito. Kasi observation deck lang naman siya. Hindi na kami pumasok sa loob. Pupunta din kami sa Burj Khalifa. Maybe the day after tomorrow. Hi guys! Dito na kami ngayon sa Museum of the Future. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Tara!
So we're in Dubai Mall. We just finished watching the fountain show. Now we're going to the buffet, the cruise for the buffet.
Hi guys! We're now here at Marinado Cruise. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu. Buffet dinner guys, pero Indian. Siguro Indian to, pagkain. Bad trip si Marky eh. Hindi siya makarami. Hi guys! Today is our third day here in Dubai.
No. Hi guys.
Today we're going to the Grand Mosque and Ferrari World. Update namin kayo later. Bye! Guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Grand Mosque. Tapos, kasi hindi daw pwede pumasok si JJ sa loob kasi naka-short siya. So, ang ginawa, bumili siya nung anong tawag dyan daw, man? Anong tawag dyan sa suot mo? What do you call this, sir? Kandura. He needs to wear a kandura kasi naka-short siya. Pero kasi kami, naka-pants naman kami. Kaya, yung scarf lang yung binili namin. Ayan, ganyan siya.
Yung bata, okay.
Salam alaikum.
Nag-convert na yata to sa Muslim. Ilan na asawain mo? Ilan?
10 na.
10 na agad. Pwede naman daw pala mag-leggings. This is the look bago pumasok ng Grand Mosque.
This one?
Dapat daw merong scarf.
25.
Machi-machi kami nila mama.
This for the men is
There.
35. For the men, 35? 35 or
At ito po, nagpa-convert na sa Muslim dahil gusto niya pamasok. Joke lang. na lang kami ng shuttle kasi sobrang haba ng lalakarin palabas. Ganun din pag papasok sa Grand Coast. Medyo mahaba yung lalakarin. So, ayun. Hi kayo. Ayan, di ba? Ayan yung haba. Haba talaga ng lalakaran.
This is car. This is my car.
Hey guys, so we're now here in Ferrari World. See, this is the entrance. We're in the parking lot. Yeah, and we're so hyped because we're all gonna ride the fastest roller coaster in the world, right? Yay! Can you say hi?
Hi.
Are you excited?
It's like that.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Okay. See you later, guys. Bye. Okay, so we're here in Ferrari World. This is the fastest roller coaster in the world, Formula Rossa. Are you excited to ride the roller coaster?
I'm not gonna go.
Why? Why not?
I'll be having a heart attack.
Bella and Jack. Say hi. Hi guys, so I think we're gonna ride this roller coaster first. This one. I'm not sure if I'm going to ride the fastest roller coaster because I'm scared. Hi guys, so now we're eating some snacks. We have popcorn and nachos. Sarap, mommy. Yeah. Kenzo, thumbs up. You like the popcorn? Like it?
I
Show
like
them your popcorn. Like it? Say, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hi guys, so we just finished having some snacks. Now we're gonna go on this ride. It's called Benno's Great Race. I think it's good for kids, so we're gonna go there. Right?
no big one.
Why?
I'm going roller coaster. And this is so.
Where are we going?
I'm going roller coaster.
See you later, guys. Hi guys, so it's our 4th day and we're going to the desert safari. Are you excited?
No.
No. Say see you later.
See you later.
Yeah.
Hi guys! We're now here at Lebac Desert. It's about to start. Pero first, bibili muna kami ng yung
Head
mga
star.
Mommy, it's a hat.
Teka lang. Ito na guys, pa-start na. Aming desert park.
What's that? Ezra.
What did you do?
No, I want to go to Camel.
You already
I want to go to Camel.
You wanna go there? Okay.
Go to Camel.
your first time.
Hi guys, so we're now here at the camp. Dito pa lang kami sasakay ng 4x4 na Land Cruiser. Tataka nga ako kala ko maabutan namin yung sunset. Tapos ina-expect ko mainit pero grabe. Ang lamig dito. Kahit pag tinapakan mo yung sand, ang lamig din ng sand.
आजा आजा मैनू तेरी है लोड़ मैं जो चुनी विद क्रिश्चियन मिशन दी और छड़ दे डिजाइनर तेनू काली हुडी जचदी देखे जो तेनू आद मेरे कोल कैशा लपना नी मुंडा तेनू मेरे जैसा आजा आजा मैनू तेरी है लोड़ मैं जो चुनी विद क्रिश्चियन दी और थोड़े खाली
Hi guys, dito tayo sa camp. Let's check what's inside. Kakatapos lang ng 4x4 ride natin. Guys, so we just had dinner and then now we're gonna ride a camel.
Camel!
Who's excited?
I can feel like Camel over there.
Ride the camel over there. Okay.
Kenzo, where's the camel?
It's missing. It needs to sleep.
Needs to sleep.
Hi guys, today is our 5th day here in Dubai and today I'm going to meet with some friends. Itong ano, pakita mo Marky.
Sa may Wagamama.
Ito oh, tingnan mo.
Wagamama YSL.
Ito.
Hindi ko mabasa yan. Basta nga,
Yun na nga, ang hirap ng basahin. Punyeta.
A few moments later.
Ayun na nga, nagkita na kami nung impact tita kong friend. Ito siya. Yan, nasa Abu Dhabi kasi yung mama niya. Tapos naghanap siya ng pasalubong para sa mama niya. Dito kami sa, ano pangalan to? Denchi, Italia. Ayun, tapos pwedeng mag-free taste ng mga chocolates. Ayan, yung mga chocolates. Hi guys! Ayan, pwedeng mag-free taste ng mga chocolates.
Ano po yan? May biscuit. Eto po, bigyan.
Tikim ka ng tikim dyan, bibilhin mo ba? Bibilhin mo. Siguraduhin mo bibilhin mo, sumusobra ka na. Yan, damay ako sa free taste. Salamat naman. So guys, we're now out for a yacht ride. Say hi!
Cheers.
upstairs? Why?
I think in the bed.
Yeah. Do you like the bed?
Guys, look at the bed. Guess that.
Such a nice experience. Grabe. Ganda ng city lights. Guys, kakatapos lang ng aming yacht ride at ngayon naman meet namin si Ninong.
Yeah.
Yay! Para mamamas ko si Marky! Yay!
Hey, bless. Mas matangkad ka na sa akin ako is. Hi, tita. Hello. Bless, bless ka, bless. Ay, may ubo.
Hey, take a peek. I'm riding a back.
Pahinga nyo lang, pilas na.
See?
Di ba kanina, 2 a.m. gising ka na?
Na 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 na. Welcome guys. This is our boat.
Guys, nandito na kami sa yate ni Jed. Tour ko lang kayo guys. Ito nga pala si King. And also from the Philippines.
No, he's from Thailand.
Ang jowa ni Jed. Ang fiancé. Wow, fiancé.
Gagayat na nga eh. Diba? Siyempre, niipon ko baby. Tayo sa Vatican.
Yan naman yung CR. Take 2 pare.
We
Take 2.
only use Dyson.
Wow, Toroy. Wala daw wali sa Dubai, Dyson only. Flex mo naman yung yung vacuum mo pare.
Dyson lang guys.
OMG guys.
Let's promote Dyson daw. Dyson, baka naman.
Nagpabox kami ng dalawang ganito eh. Galing sa company niya.
Guys, so today is Feb 7 and today is our flight back to Manila.